Wanted to turn an Obsidian note into a PDF that you can easily share or save outside your vault? Obsidian has a built-in option that lets you export individual notes as PDF files. Let's say I have this Prague trip note and I want to turn it into a PDF. First, make sure the note you want to export is open. Then look at the upper right corner of the note and click the three-dot menu. From here, select Export to PDF. Obsidian will open the PDF export options. Depending on what you need, you can adjust the available settings before creating the file. Once everything looks the way you want, choose the option to export the PDF and select where you want to store it. Obsidian creates a PDF version of your note that you can open with any standard PDF reader. This can be useful for all kinds of things. One thing to keep in mind is that exporting a note to PDF creates a separate file. Changes you make to the original Obsidian note later won't automatically update the PDF, so you'll need to export it again if you want an updated version. So whenever you need a shareable or printable version of an Obsidian note, you can use the built-in PDF export instead of copying everything into another application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.